Bonnie, mother of two lovely girls. Are you happy to try the drill bit kit for us?
I am, yes. Eddie.
Thank you. Red drill bit, drill up to the mark. Where you go.
Okay. Anywhere?
Anywhere you like. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. There's the red wall plug for you. Pop that in. Oh, lovely. Does that need a little tap or not?
I think that's in.
All right, and there's the red screw to match. Oh, how's that?
Perfect.
Happy with that?
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Job done.
Oh, good. Can we say approved by Holly and Isabel's mum?
Yes, you can.
Oh,
Definitely
thank
approved
you.
by me.
Great, thank you.